After hiking through the rain and setting up camp, there was only one thing left to do: make a proper campfire meal. Before we start, I just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed after my first solo camping trip. Welcome to the channel! While editing that video, I realized I still had quite a bit of footage left. One of my favorite parts of any adventure is cooking over a campfire, so I thought it would be fun to turn it into a little bonus video. Cooking outdoors is one of my favorite things about an adventure. So I bring this time the Dutch oven and some other cooking gear. Before leaving, I picked up a few simple ingredients. Nothing fancy, just enough for a warm meal at camp. I also prepared a simple bread mix at home. It's one of those things that's easy to make, easy to pack, and tastes amazing after a long day outside. I'm just adding some olive oil and water. I'm mixing the ingredients good together and added some herbs out of my own garden, such as thyme, oregano and basil. I added the fresh ingredients and now I'm adding the canned kidney beans and corn. I added a bouillon cube for a little extra flavor. So now the whole thing can simmer for a bit while I enjoyed the sunset. First time campfire bread. Yeah, I definitely need a bigger stick. This campfire dinner was part of my first solo camping adventure with the Lada Niva. A trip that didn't exactly go according to plan. Heavy rain, thunderstorms and a few unexpected challenges made it one to remember. If you haven't seen that adventure yet, I'll link it in the description down below. One of the things I really enjoy about the Dutch oven cooking is that it forces you to slow down. There's no rush, just listening to the fire and enjoying being outside. For me, meals like this are part of the adventure. They're never perfect, but somehow they always taste better outside. Look at this delicious meal. You can really taste the Italian herbs from my own garden. Thanks again for watching, and especially to everyone who's recently subscribed. I really appreciate the support. And as I always advise, don't forget, get out there, go on an adventure and enjoy life.